Hello, friends. Start the lesson. Lesson is based on mood disorders and affective disorders. First sentence is intense nihilism, somatization, and agitation in old age are the features of involutional melancholia. Dysthymia is subsyndromal depressive symptoms for 2 years. Duration for leveling manic episode is 1 week. Affective disorders are associated with disturbance in mood, pressure of speech, and flight of ideas is a feature of manic episode. A period of normalcy in between two psychotic disorders is a feature of manic depressive psychosis. Drug of choice for rapid cycling MDP is sodium valproate. Early morning awakening is seen characteristically in endogenous depression. Common cause of mood congruent delusions is depression. Characteristic feature of mania is high self-esteem. Dysthymia is mild chronic depressed mood. Alexithymia is inability to express emotions. Most common psychiatric complication of chronic antihypertensive therapy is depression. Double depression is major depression on dysthymia. Persistent mood disorder is diagnosed if the symptoms persist more than 2 years. Most common age and gender for depression is middle-aged female and elderly man. The psychological disorder most commonly associated with myxedema depression. Myxedema depression is a term sometimes used to describe the depressive symptoms that can occur in people with myxedema, which is a severe form of hypothyroidism. Most common psychiatric disorder in India is depression. Otto Guth sign is found in depression. Suicidal tendencies are most common in psychotic depression. Drug of choice in depression in old person is fluoxetine. Most common mental disorder as a cause of suicide is depression. The clinical features of mania include elated mood, delusion of grandiosity, hypersexuality, hyperactivity, decreased sleep is seen in mania. Bipolar second disorder includes major depression and hypomania. Chromosome associated with bipolar disorder is chromosome 18. HIAA is a metabolite of serotonin. HIAA is most commonly referred as 5-HIAA. Tricyclic antidepressants are contraindicated in glaucoma. Mode of action of fluoxetine inhibit reuptake of 5-HT. Side effects of fluoxetine are weight gain, sweating, diarrhea. Trapentine acts by serotonin uptake enhancer. Lithium is treatment of choice for bipolar MDP prophylaxis. Prophylactic maintenance serum level of lithium is 0.6 to 0.8 MEq per liter. Most common cause of mood congruent delusion is mania. Drug preferred for treatment of acute bipolar disorder is antipsychotic plus mood stabilizer. Dysthymia is not associated with psychotic feature like delusion. The cognitive model of depression evolved from systematic clinical observation and experimental testing by Aaron T. Beck. The cognitive model postulates three specific concepts to explain the psychological substrate of depression: the cognitive triad, schema, and cognitive errors. Long standing at least for 2 years of low grade subthreshold depressive symptoms exclusive of indicators of severity and featuring symptoms more than signs indicate diagnosis of systemic disorder. Haloperidol can be used in pregnant patients suffering from bipolar disorders. True mania must be present for at least 1 week with associated increases in energy or activity and marked functional impairment that results in a substantial loss of social and occupational functioning. Psychotic features are never present in bipolar second patients, and hospitalization is a specific exclusion criterion. Now come to anxiety disorders. Panic disorder is associated with locus coeruleus anomalies and lactate metabolism abnormalities. Panic disorder can be seen with or without agoraphobia and is characterized by recurrent unexpected panic attacks. Exposure therapy in the form of systematic desensitization is the treatment of choice for phobic disorders. Delayed onset PTSD is diagnosed if the symptoms do not appear within 6 months of the stressor. SSRIs used for at least 6 months are the most effective treatment for reducing symptoms of PTSD. Acute stress disorder is an acute self-limited condition lasting for 2 days, means 4 weeks, with its onset within 4 weeks of exposure. Obsession is disorder of possession of thought. Obsessional thoughts are unwelcome and repetitive thoughts that intrude into the consciousness and are generally ego alien and resisted by the patient. Compulsions are repetitive, ritualized behaviors that patients feel compelled to perform to avoid an increase in anxiety or some dreaded outcome. Panic disorder is associated with noradrenaline cholecystokinin, pentagastrin, tetrapeptide, GABA, and serotonin. I think this video is helpful for you. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Dr. Entrance Exam.